Do you have a minute? I wrote something for you. Accepting and honoring Jesus as Lord means He has full authority in all aspects of our lives. He is worthy to be our Lord because in Matthew 28:18, Jesus said, "All authority in heaven and on earth has been given to me." Further in verse 20, the same chapter, Jesus said, "And surely I am with you always to the very end of the age." This assured us when we decide to come to Jesus, there is no other power that can hinder us. Jesus' power is sufficient to keep us safe. Why don't you come to Him today? Thank you for your time, and God bless you.